Across there.
It's up to you. When you're chasing the truck, you can throw it, you come around and throw it.
Alright.
Just get it to that bar.
Okay.
Are you taking the bottom?
Yeah. Is it forward?
Ah! Yeah. Hey, you're way too tight.
What happened was you came all the way back here.
Yeah.
You came all the way back here, and then you went, and you were running next to the car, and then you were here when it stopped, and you ran into the back of it.
Yeah.
You ran into the back of it. If you're gonna go back, you gotta wait for it to go and then run.
Falls on the hang like that, just tap it and go.
Alright, don't. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, you're actually starting from here, but you're running all the way back, and then you're running back with the truck.
If there's one that falls, we'll get like that on the front, you're gonna tap them and go.
So if you're gonna do what you do, and come
Yeah, I might
back
need to
here,
just slide
you
across.
gotta stop and wait for the truck to get to here.
Yeah, I try
and
to
then
go
start
too.
going. You're running way too early.
Yeah.
What's the reason for that?
Was it like was it badly glued or?
No, when he hung it, one just fell off. I mean, I was thinking about going, but I didn't know. When he hung it, just fell off.
On both sides, that would be that good.
Maybe. That was ugly too, and I was waiting for him to get it, and I was like, when he hung over here, it came off, but it's because the hang was all wedged, you know? Yeah. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I ran right into the ass in it. That's a big ass wrench, you know what I mean? Trying to. You gonna do it for me? Good. You got it. So I went. I hit the back of the truck. It's fucking ugly.
I had some fall off both sides.
Got it? You good?
Hell, I thought it was a two-tire, the last one. Nobody. My bad, when I went to pull, yeah. Well, this was on the valve stem.
Hey, real quick, one thing about it. The biggest thing I noticed with a lot of you guys is if something catastrophic or something happens on the right side, you carry really the rest of the stuff. Okay, perfect example today. I was telling Chuck this earlier. We're at 590 right side today at practice, which is terrible for us. Horrible. That's catastrophe. The finishing stop is 1250. If you let go what happened over here, the came over here and did our job. Let go of what happens over here and just keep going. Okay? Things are going to happen. It is what it is. Let it go. Don't let it cost you more time by thinking about it. I see it a lot with a lot of you guys. I saw it yesterday with Toad. He had a problem on the right side. He comes over left front. He's sitting there shaking his head, trying to get looking at it. Let it go. All right? Seriously. Get more? All right.
Am I supposed to get that or not on the, not on the truck?
On the truck, no.
I thought you were yelling, grab it.
No, he was telling him. He was telling him to grab it.
I thought you, yeah, I thought he said not on the truck. Okay.
Hey, good luck, bro.
Yeah.
You're already kind of sick. County wants when you go in, right? Raise your lungs up. You're sitting kind of get up. You're kind of tired. Get out here. Those rolls right here. Bang it this way. Okay. So when I'm here, I'm hitting it. Get my chin. Boom. Get that time out of the way. We'll let him clear and we take the money together. And by that time, he should be coming around to help you out. He should be back to support. You know what I mean? Yeah, turn up. All right, Ross. All of them are white.
He missed the thing really bad.
What happened?
Yeah, he wedged it.
Twice. He wedged it twice.
Like this car is parked. when he was down there. Like, I like to see his feet, and I was like, it ain't going well. He had no power.
I should have just grabbed it out of there for him in the first place.
That's your wife?
Yeah.
You got a dog?
Yeah.
You got you a doggy? Down Mesha.
Beautiful dog. Boy, it's like a girl dog. She's down.
It's a boy.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay, now, man.
I only got one good stop out of that. Yeah. Yeah, I got on about 3 weeks ago.